15 to shoot. There's 2 points. Wow. Joro.
May butika yan, di ba? Oo.
Yung butika. There's 2 points. Wow. Kanta lang.
Sino to kaya, Marco? Ano? Talagyan mo na sa 05.
Sino pa niya eh? Outside. Bola na. Opio.
Sino yung 05 na yan? Argani?
Agarin.
Argani?
2 points. Wow. Number 4. Agarin. 15 to shoot. Wow. Counter. All-counter foul. Villegas, number 22. Who's forward? By number 14. First personal foul, first team foul. Villegas. Is the basket. 5-4. Lalang Kronos. Steve Begambaran. Traveling violation para kay Francisco. Score po natin 5-4. Points. Wow, Pagbanan. 7-4. Langangang bonus ng 3. Traveling. In to shoot. 10 to shoot. Wow. Wow, down number
27.
Scarlett.
Number 4.
Number 27. First personal foul, first team foul. Points. Wow. Villegas. 10-4. To shoot. Robotica ay ano? Company ito? Loterina. 2 points. Easy defense by Agarin. Score natin 14-6.
Ready change 5 kaya Marco.
Ready change 5. Block. By Villegas. Foul.
Change 5. First second.
Change 5. First personal foul, second team foul. Score natin 14-6. Ambalan first free throw pasok. Second free throw pasok. Substitution. Ambalan out.
Ano yung tumiling o sumahilin?
Sumilhig.
Sumilhig. Sumilhig ako.
Traveling.
Sumilhig.
Traveling. Sumilhig. Pasto, Talasres. Pasto, Ortiz. Oh, sorry. Villarreal. Repeat the shot. Foul.
Sino foul?
Foul by number 08, Talasres. First personal foul, second team foul.
Manalo kayo dito. Manalo kayo dito.
Ortiz. Repeat the shot. Peras wala. Bonus ball. 4 minutes. Foul.
One? One? Ayan.
16-6.
One? Walang sino yun? Uy, walang one. Number 3 yun. Nagkamali lang ata. First second lang.
Repeat the shot. Repeat the shot. Reset. Foul. Foul by
Four. First third.
first personal foul, third team foul.
Si Lester po. Paano ako papaliwanag niya? Last game na natin dito sa Lapon. Hindi tayo makapaglaro dito. At saka yung away kanina, final warning ko na yun. Makikita nila yung sa PCTV.
Eight na. 16-8. Wow.
Who's foul? First warning.
First personal foul, warning for penalty.
Sino foul?
Foul.
Herrera. Derpin.
All Conteros.
third.
First personal foul, third team foul. Yeah, points. What a pass by Ortiz. Score natin. 19-10. Zero points by Eden. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Traveling violation. Time out. Bonus.
Nakakabad. Hindi kasi ni Raven eh. Sino nakaspill dito? Si Ortiz? Okay.
Yeah. Running time, 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds.
Sino foul? 20.
All number 23.
20.
20.
First.
First personal foul, first team foul.
Sabihin mo rin kung pumasok ka. Yeah. Pumasok. Satang.
Easy points by Pop Passer. 24-23, 24-13. Fantastic, para by Francisco. 26-13.
Para na para. First.
First personal foul, first team foul. Foul. Foul, Francisco, number 6. First personal foul, second team foul. Free throws para kay Ortiz.
Wala na.
Foul by number
Second, third.
Top Base. Second personal foul, third team foul. Mas free throw pumasok.
13, 20, 13, ano po? 26.
Second free throw pumasok.
Hindi na yan kay Marco.
15-26. Official score, 15-26.
Nice. 15.
To shoot. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Down.
First, second kay Marco.
First personal foul, second team foul. First free throw pumasok. Second free throw pumasok. 28-17. Foul.
Third warning.
Third
Third warning.
personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Ryan! Wala kayong kota?
Yung mga may kulang, di naglaro ngayon eh. Serena, alam mo Serena, may kulang, di naglaro. Di ba bawas na yun kay Meldo? Di nagre-reply sa akin eh.
Ah, bakas na yun. Problemahin pa natin yun.
Pre, nagbigay ako na agad kagabi ah. Nagbigay ako ng 100 kagabi.
Ah, tapos na ilagdag ko rin.
And to shoot. Easy 2 points by Paparon. Steal by Rabina. Easy 2 points by Ortiz. 28-21. Steal na naman.
Still your piece kaya. Oh. Time out! Time out! Time out! Masuk.
Twenty-two, 28. Asa, bola na. Produce.
Change 5 kaya Marco.
Change 5 tayo, change 5. Twenty-two, 20. Easy 2 points. Basket. Only to shoot. Steal. Offensive foul.
Oh, thank you. That's right.
Easy 2 points. Foul. Gotirina. 30-24. Foul.
Second third kaya Marco. Yung ano,
Second.
900 lang yan pre. Iigas ko sa yung 240. Kasi may isang tao. Pre. Maso. Iigas ko yun. Kasi iigas ko yun. Maso.
32-24.
Yung 240.
Naniga. Kaya Marco ah. Papa Jules, saan ka na papasok? Please lang. Palakpak sila.
Bearing sa ano?
Sa purple, no bearing.
Then seconds to shoot. And to shoot.
Penalty kaya Marco.
Tapos si PM ko siya.
Oo na. Shooting ball.
Shooting foul. Penalty. second hit. 36, 26, 28 po. Wala na. Bonus. Eighteen seconds to shoot. 38, 26, 8 seconds. By number 4.
Penalty.
Penalty. 0.9 seconds.
Masok ka.
Saan lang pumasok?
29.
Papanis ko talaga.
Sunod ako yung field. Di ko alam. Champion. Takto na. Still by number 5.
Sino yan? 05?
Oh, tapos, hindi, 8. 8. Binyagas.
31, 31.
Wait lang po.
Dead ball.
Hello.
Sabi ko kaya Marco,
43. 15 to shoot. 3 points by Cronus. Agarit. 26, 33.
Time out na kay Marco.
15 to shoot. Time out. Easy 2 points. Villarreal, 48-33.
Sino foul?
Number 8 foul.
Second, first.
Second personal foul, first team foul. Wala ng circle. Easy 2 points. Wow. Contreras. Substitution. Ana.
First, second.
First personal foul, second team foul. Foul. First personal foul, first team foul.
Sige, pag pumasok. Sab daw kaya Marco.
Substitution. Two points. Foul.
Sino foul?
Dina.
Second.
Second personal foul, second team foul. Foul.
Patrick! Hit sa ulo. Top shots.
Sab daw.
Sub.
Dito. Substitution pag pumasok. Wala.
Pag pumasok ya,
Hindi pala na-list si Papa Jules. Kaya mga...
gugulatin mo sila, sasabang mo sila 5.
Wala na ang class.
Ito.
Pumasok. Wala na yun. Hayaan na natin.
Sabi na!
Tiwan na yan kaya Marco.
51-37.
Ayun na! Dalawa kayo dyan, pre! Dalawa kayo dyan! Isa ka lang!
Ayun na naman yung mga atabs. Galingan nyo.
Ayun na! Sakpo!
Takbo na.
Wala pa tagal
Ano
yung
bola na
bola.
yan, Marco?
Ayun na!
15 to shoot.
Nice one!
Easy 2 points. Foul.
Depensa! Depensa!
Ibutika.
Isa lang! Tag-isa lang!
29-51.
Nice one! Nice one! Oy! Oy! Kapit! Kapit!
10 to shoot.
Bigay! Gitna! Nice one!
Easy 2 points. Foul.
Depensa, depensa!
O, 10 na lang.
Uy, oh! Ayun na, ito na yan! Uy! Uy!
Substitution.
Third.
Third personal foul, third team foul.
Nice, Lee! Nice, Lee!
Sub.
Injury time.
Hey!
Kaya na, Gardo!
Shot!
Uy! Uy! Uy, Tarantini! Uy! Uy!
40 seconds.
Sub.
Pasok.
35 seconds.
Bot! Ang bagal ng bola mo! Bigay, kabila! Penalty!
First personal foul, third team foul. 26 seconds.
O, 26 seconds, oh! Alaksak, pre! Libre na, gilid! Wala!
15 seconds.
Ayos lang, depensa lang! Ayos lang! Uy! Uy!
8 seconds. Foul.
Nice one.
Second warning.
Second personal foul, warning for penalty.
Warning pa lang, warning!
3.8 seconds.
Depensa, 3.8, oh.
Foul.
Warning penalty.
Warning and penalty. Warning for it. Warning and penalty. 2 free throws. Wala na oras yun ang court foul sa susunod.
Warning na yan. Ayan. Oo.
53-41 official score. End of first. Easy to pass. By Tiger. Easy 2 points by Republica. 65-43. Easy 2 points by 55-45. 15 to shoot.
Pakagod yan mamaya.
10 to shoot. Easy 2 points. 5-11. Easy 2 points. 5-11.
Depensa, depensa!
Alvina, easy 2 points. 1 Alvina.
Shot ka kaya Marco.
10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Easy 2 points. 1. Basket 2. 61-47. Doro, wala. 15 to shoot. 5. Substitution. First personal foul, first team foul. First free throw, wala. Second free throw, stop. Official score 48-61. Fifteen to shoot. Jump ball. Wala na. First ball.
Depensa! Depensa!
Purple ball.
Bola doon eh.
Bola daw kaya Marco.
Bakit? Anong meron dyan? Masabi.
61-48. 6 minutes and 45 seconds. Number 5 warning for suspension the whole season. First. 61-49. Substitution.
Spot.
6 minutes and 39 seconds. 61-50. Traveling.
Silang, silang! Oras na kalaban natin! Silang! Sir!
Two points. One. Ortiz. 62. 52. 61. By Bernarte. Easy 2 points. Time out. Easy 2 points. Down for Suarez. 56-61. Easy 2 points. Reggie Basso. 63-56. Bravo. 15 to shoot. Easy 2 points. Wow. Trail. Easy 2 points. Wow. Ortiz.
Marco, stop ka ba yan?
15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Easy 2 points. Wow.
Walang
Gumbeto.
dead ball, walang dead ball.
Steal para Villegas.
Tama ka lang ba?
15 to shoot.
Tama.
23. Second kaya Marco. Ha? Second. Substitute. Second pa lang.
Wait. Sige, mamaya na yan.
Three minutes. 67-15. Second personal foul for Devon.
Sa parabi na.
First free throw goes up. 67-58. At 9. 60-67.
Sabulit ang pre ah.
Sab daw kaya Marco.
Sab.
Substitution.
Lan! Pasok!
Pasok.
Traveling 60-67. Bonus ball. And to shoot. Alright. 67-60. Last 2 minutes. 22 points. Five.
Kinamin nyo.
Hanya.
Upal kayo. Seconds shot clock. Points by Francisco. Steal by Pase. 1 minute exactly. Surrender nyo na. Third
41
pa lang. Third
seconds.
personal pa.
Third personal foul, third team foul.
Wala.
Third team foul pa lang, third team foul.
Marco, local na ano. Kaya mo na, patapos naman eh. Kanina pa yan. Ano pa yan local?
Steal. Para nagbuti ka, easy 2 points.
Kunti lang naman nila kaya Marco.
36.7. 30 seconds. And to shoot. Loose ball, purple ball, 24 seconds. Third personal foul, warning for penalty. 21 seconds. Happening. 21 seconds. 64. 72-64.
Warning. Basta warning.
19 seconds.
Ay hindi, si ano pala.
14 to shoot.
Ulit.
15 seconds.
Penalty.
Penalty.
Rebound.
Nag-aabot sila sa kusit, kaya kung mamadali ko.
Yung ba na ba yun?
Pinapansin, malakas ang pakain si Practi. Gusto ko umuwi na ko eh. Second free throw, wala.
Wala. Wala pa rin. Wala pa rin. Wow. 4.6 seconds. First personal foul. Penalty. Wala.
Pasok nyo.
4.6 seconds.
Pasok nyo, Timberwolves. Kailangan nyo ng pala.